Stop stressing about that headlight. Here's how you can fix it super quick. First things first, pop the hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. Make sure your truck is off and the battery is disconnected. Safety first. Next, find the headlight bulb socket. Twist it counterclockwise and pull it out gently. Check the bulb for any signs of damage or a burnt filament. If the bulb looks bad, replace it with a new one. Just make sure it's the correct type for your F150. Insert the new bulb into the socket and twist it clockwise to secure it. Reconnect the battery and test the headlight. If it still doesn't work, it might be a fuse issue. Check your owner's manual to locate the headlight fuse. If the fuse is blown, replace it with a new one of the same rating. Finally, if the headlight still won't light up, it could be a wiring issue. At this point, it's best to consult a professional. And there you have it. Fixing your Ford F150 headlight doesn't have to be hard. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be back on the road in no time.